In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export GIF from Figma, a complete guide on how to export a GIF from Figma. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your project, find a GIF plugin, place the GIF on your canvas and export it with the right settings. Start by opening the Figma website in your browser. If you're prompted, sign in, then open the file or page where you want to work. Give your document a moment to load so everything in the right-hand sidebar is available. Next, open the Actions menu. This is the quick search that helps you find commands and plugins. From there, go to the Plugins section. In the search field, type GIF to bring up GIF-related plugins. You'll see several options. Pick a reliable one that matches your needs. Click it and then click Run to launch the plugin. Once the plugin opens, follow its on-screen prompts. Most GIF plugins let you import an existing GIF or generate one from frames or clips. When your GIF is prepared and visible in the plugin window, drag it onto your page so it lands on the canvas. If it arrives as a frame or component, don't worry, that's normal for many plugins. Position it where you want and make sure the layer is selected so you can manage it easily. When your GIF is ready on the canvas, look to the right-hand side of Figma for the export section. If you don't see an export setting yet, add one, then click the file type drop-down. Select the file type that fits your workflow. If your plugin supports GIF, export through the standard panel, choose GIF. Otherwise, the plugin may handle the final export itself. In either case, confirm the size and scale you want to use. Smaller dimensions and fewer frames typically produce smaller file sizes, which is useful for sharing or embedding. Now click Export. Choose a destination on your computer, give the file a clear name, and let Figma or the plugin complete the process. After export, preview your GIF to confirm the motion. Looks smooth and the colors and timing meet your expectations. That's the full process. Open Figma, open your page, use the Actions menu to find and run a GIF plugin. Drag the GIF onto your canvas and then export from the right sidebar with the file type you need. Keep your layers tidy, double-check the selected layer before exporting, and adjust size settings to balance quality and file weight. You're all set to export GIFs from Figma with confidence.